I'm pretty nervous because about 3 weeks ago I got monetized, but I just logged into my YouTube studio and I have this weird message that I'm gonna show you. So I don't want to lose my monetization, so we're gonna go today and go and check exactly all the requirements and documents you need once you get monetized for the YouTube Partner Program. Let's get right into it. So it's been about 3 weeks that my channel got monetized, and I'm seeing on the top of my screen, as you can see, it says please sign in your AdSense account to verify your identity. This is required to receive future payments and continue monetizing. So it seems to be very important because I don't want to be having issues with my monetization now that my channel is monetized. And if you look here on the right, it says getting paid, action required. What you need to do is confirm your personal information and submit your tax information. So what I want to do in this video is I'm going to go through the whole process. I never done this. This is my first channel that I ever get monetized. I'm in the process to also getting my second channel monetized. Hopefully we can get that done very soon. But for the moment, we need to take care of this. So let's go and see what is it, the requirements that YouTube, once you're going to get your monetization, what are the requirements of YouTube to become a YouTube partner. So I want to go through that with you guys today. So let's go. We're going to start by pressing here, get started. And like I said, this is pretty new to me, so I have no idea exactly what's going to happen. Let's go and see. Action required. There's something to check in your AdSense payments account. So let's go and press this. I might need to blur some information if any personal information comes on. Be aware of that. Go to payments. We'll start with this notification. New payments account. You can see that your AdSense and YouTube here. You can see your AdSense. Okay. There is an issue with your payments account. Okay. YouTube Canada, YouTube AdSense. Let me press here. Even if I change to YouTube, it still makes me a problem. If I change here, it also makes me a problem. So we're gonna continue and see what's the story. So for the moment, it shows zero balance billing period because I still not receive any payments. Like I said, this is brand new. I probably got monetized about three weeks ago, maybe like almost a month. But the first 2 weeks, I decided not to upload anything. I was in the process of reviewing my channel and making sure I don't lose the monetization. So what I did is I was looking for a niche for a few weeks, trying to figure out what I was gonna do with this channel, what niche is it that I wanted to do. And I'm still in the process of testing. This is why you don't see a big amounts over here, but it's not zero for sure. It's more than that. I'll show you later on the revenue on my YouTube studio. For a moment, let's go and check here what we can fix because it's still not helping anything. Let's go here, go to payments. Okay, so we have this. Now we're gonna go here. Maybe here there's more information. And I think this is where the problem is. We need to do the verify your identity. Confirm your personal information to get your account ready to receive payments. So let's take action. Provide some info about yourself to continue. Well, I'm trying to press, nothing happens. Due to the war in Ukraine, we will post monetization of content that exploits, dismisses, or condones the war. Surely that does not apply to me. Action required. There's something to check in the AdSense payments account. Once again, the same problem. I'm gonna press here on account, settings. Personal settings. Okay, I was finally able to get to the page I wanted to get. And let's see if we can verify our identity from here. We're gonna agree and start verification. So here are the things that you need. You're gonna need to provide an ID, driver's license, passport, national identity, resident permit. So you need to upload, make a picture of your ID and you need to upload it. Let's see if it's a picture or it's gonna be a live camera. Let's see. So over here is actually the front ID and then the back ID. So I'll go take a picture of my ID and then I'll be back. So we're going to upload. After taking the pictures, we're going to upload that to the Google's AdSense. There you go. Now we do the back. Then we click next. And now you need to verify your personal information. I'll have to blur some of the information here, but now you understand a little bit the process. Once you verify that everything is correct, you press on next. And then you're gonna have this message: successful. You're ready to start earning money. Now we're gonna press on done. I'm still receiving the same message. Let me refresh to see. Okay, after I did that, I still have the same message. So let's go back here. Let's press dismiss on this one. Okay, now let's press manage tax info. Perfect. So I think this is what we needed to do. Let's go and check now the tax info. We're gonna press on add tax info, and this will take between 15 to 20 minutes. To keep your account secure, you'll need to verify it's you. After 1 hour, we may need to verify again the information you already entered. Press start form. Perfect. So now we have this. Okay, United States info. What type of account it is? Individual. We're gonna click on next. Are you citizen or resident of the United States? Let's put no. Based on your previous selected answer, W form is needed. W form must be used by non-US and would be used to claim 3D. It's most used with earned income, trade or business files, income tax return. So let's go with this one. So you're gonna select your country of citizenship. I'll go with Canada. The taxpayer identification number, we don't have this. So we're gonna press on next, and then we're gonna put here, and the mailing it's the same as the permanent address. You click on next. Be sure it's exact. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? US law may impose 30% withhold tax on payments. So you're probably gonna lose 30% once you receive your payment. This is the rule for the US. What is this treaty? The US has income tax with many foreign countries. Under this treaty, certain residents may be eligible to pay a lower US tax rate and not pay US. You can go and read, maybe your country is eligible for that. Some foreign countries, I don't think I'm in the list of those countries, especially that now Canada and US have some conflict. See here, press here. Since this is for information only and for entertainment, I suggest you to consult with your accountant. If you have an accountant in your country that knows about these laws, it would be a good thing to go and inform yourself with them if your country has a treaty or not. I'm not aware. I might call somebody that knows a little bit more about this. For the moment, I'll leave it as is. No, I'm not eligible, and I'll press next. Activities and service performed in US. Okay, so it's a video from within the US or visits a website. This does not include. Perfect. So now we're gonna press no. I certify the services slowly outside that any labor capital. Yes. Next. I'm not planning to go to the US for the moment. Recommended. US tax delivery preference may send year end. Okay, we can do that. Paperless, accept delivery agreement instead by mail. You can have this paperless or by mail, whichever you prefer. Since I received so many documents, I might need this by mail, so I'll put it by mail because I received so many emails. I'd rather not lose any important document. Document preview. This is how your document will be generated. I confirm. Next. I declare, certify and sign. Perfect. Yes. Now we're gonna end up with the FBI or the CIA or something. Hopefully not. On change status affidavit, this tax may be applied to prior payments following option. I certify on change. No, I don't think we need this. Do we need this? I don't think so. Your signature. Do you confirm you are beneficial owner name in the tax? Yes. And then you submit. Now you'll have like something to review. Status approve. I might need, like I said, to blur so many things here, but you get the point. So they're gonna be doing 30%, 30%, 30%. So we're gonna be losing 30% on our income to Uncle Sam. Perfect. So this seems to be good. So let's go and refresh this and see what happens. I'm still getting the okay, let me go in here, AdSense YouTube. I'm still getting this. I don't know why. Manage. Let's go click on here. Everything seems okay. So we're gonna press dismiss. And now let's go on this one, because this one's supposed to be done too. I'm not sure if this is just the alert. Your tax. Now we have this message. Your tax info for United States has been accepted. Perfect. So I'm not sure if there's something else that we need to do. Let's go and press here again. Identity completed. I think we've done everything. So maybe this will stay there for the moment, because it says action require, but everything seems to be accepted. Everything seems to be good. I'm refreshing again. Imagine that eventually this will disappear. So once we're gonna reach the $100 threshold, the payout, I believe that this is when Google AdSense will send you a pin at home, and then to finalize everything. And now I'm gonna refresh my channel to see what happens. I don't have the message on the top anymore, but I still have this action required. After we did all the confirmation of the address, verification, the tax and everything, there's one last step that you need to do, and it's over here. You press on learn more, and you need to verify the personal information. This requires to maintain channel monetization. If you press over here, it's going to give you more information. Learn more. So now the big part, now the next step will be to verify your identity through a PIN number. So you're required to verify your personal information for your account once your earnings reach the verification threshold. So once you hit $100 of revenue, you need to verify your identity to continue to show ads and receive payments from your Google AdSense. And this is to confirm the accuracy of your account information and to protect you from fraud. So Google or YouTube AdSense will send you a PIN number at home to your address that you enter on the file. And let's press here. And the address verification PIN overview. This is to protect you from security of your account. So you will receive a PIN. This is like a paper. Once you receive that, you will be good to go. For the moment, I still did not reach my threshold of $100, but on my next video, I'll show you exactly all my analytics of how much I made till now. Like I said, the first 2 weeks, I didn't really post because I was looking for a niche. I was looking for something to put. And now I started, I think I'm at my 4th or 5th video. So I'll show you all the results. I also posted a few shorts, but I want to go the long form road because long form actually pays more, and you will see all the details on my next video. Maybe once we hit the threshold of $100, this will change. For the moment, this is still there, but at least the message on the top is gone. So I hope this was useful. On the next video, we're gonna talk about exactly how much I earned for the past 3 weeks, and I'll go into my analytics to show you exactly how much I made since I've been in the YouTube Partner Program. This is Master with Marco. Till next time, stay blessed.